So I wanted to create an area within my studio where I could actually film myself working on things on my desk. So if I'm doing any tutorials from my phone, like if I'm demonstrating WhatsApp or an app that I've actually got that people might be interested in, I wanted to be able to set up something that would be able to view from above down onto my desk area. So let's just head over to my desk and I'll show you what I've actually done. So rather than just holding my camera here from the side or from this side or here, what I wanted to do was create something from above. So what I've actually managed to do is I actually got this unit here, this little adapter, which actually normally sticks to the side of a car, and then I've attached this selfie stick, and on the end of the selfie stick I've actually fixed my camera. So what you can now see is from the actual screen itself is my layout of below, like so. So now what it allows me to do is, when I'm actually working, if I need to zoom in or zoom out, then I can do. And then I'll turn this over and you'll see that when you're working from the phone, it enables here working from this down below. So you can see now, if I need to work on anything or bring things up, I can actually now, bring things over, talk about the items. If I need to zoom in, then I can, and obviously just move whatever it is that I'm actually demonstrating. If I need to move the keyboard totally out of the way and have a certain item that I need to be able to record, like so, then I can do, and it's simple and easy. Didn't cost a lot to actually put together, so it's a perfect scenario. And I can change the camera, so if I wanted to change the camera to a different system, then I can do. But currently, for my needs, what I'm working with here is absolutely fine. So then when it's not being used, I can just tip it back into the upright position and tighten. And tighten the bracket, and then it's just up, out the way, ready for the next time I need to use it. So thanks for taking the time to watch the video. You know what to do. Like the post, share the post, click the subscribe button. Until the next time, peace.